In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a model using the Perplexity AI's finance feature. If you're interested in understanding and exploring how AI models can assist in making informed financial decisions, you've come to the right place. So let's dive right into the process. To start, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser and head on over to the Google homepage. Once you're there, all you need to do is type Perplexity into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a series of results related to Perplexity AI, a platform that allows users to engage with and explore various AI models. Now that you've searched for Perplexity, the next step is to click on the Perplexity website from the search results. This will lead you directly to their homepage. Once you're on the Perplexity site, you'll be greeted by an interface designed to make the exploration of AI models not only accessible, but also user-friendly. Once you're comfortably settled on the Perplexity platform, let's create a prompt. In the provided text field, type in a prompt like, "Explain to me, like I'm 5, what investing means, how putting money in stocks, funds, or businesses helps it grow over time." This step is essential as it sets the stage for the model to tailor its response based on your inquiry, especially if you're trying to unpack complex concepts related to finance. After inputting your question, focus your attention on the source button available on the interface. Clicking on this will display various settings or features you can enable. For our purpose, make sure to enable the finance feature. This adjustment ensures that the AI model taps into financial sources and databases, offering more relevant and precise information concerning your finance-related queries. With your prompt set and the finance feature activated, it's all about bringing everything together to get your results. Go ahead and click the Submit button. This action will prompt the AI to process your request, taking into account the enabled finance feature, and then present you with an explanation rooted in financial insights. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively choose and utilize a model on Perplexity AI to gain valuable insights into financial topics. This process not only helps you understand the workings of financial systems, but also demonstrates the vast potential AI holds in enhancing our comprehension and decision-making skills within the world of finance. Hopefully, this tutorial has provided you with a clear understanding of how to navigate and use Perplexity AI for your financial queries and modeling needs. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore more of our resources. Until next time, happy exploring.